Ed, you can be honest with this one. Is it the truck or the driver that determines the longevity of that vehicle?
It's the driver. If attentive drivers who are paying attention to how their truck runs, they can tell you before the truck can tell you if something's wrong. Just the small differences in the way it runs, the vibration, the driver is aware of that before the mechanic is. Good communication between your truck drivers and your maintenance team is critical to the longevity of your fleet, and it can save you thousands by catching small problems before they turn into big problems. If you need help with your maintenance program, give us a call at 708-670-5566, and we can get you a maintenance program tailored to your needs.